Steering wheel. Nice, but a little worn. You feel some pieces missing on the back. New steering wheel. Now we're going to take a 17 mil socket and I'm going to break free the steering column. If you can, get a steering wheel puller. I rented this from my local auto parts store. You pay them some money and you get to use the tool. You return it, you get the money back. And this is what it looks like. Here we got a 13 mil, and for the big guy we have a 19 mil. Just specific to this one, so it may be different. So I'm trying to position the metal cup over where the bolt for the steering column was, and these two I threaded in. You have a few different sizes to try. These two I threaded into the respective holes, and then position them. I'm going to close them in now, so they're flush, and then I'm going to start cranking him, because he's going to start to push away. We just dance it off. Don't lose the lock nut. And the washer in the back. Okay. That's all we had. And now what we're going for. Okay, it's going to look a little bit better when finished, but... And after you take off your wheel and figure out that there's a part missing, that you need an adapter between a new Momo wheel and the actual steering column, reassemble your wheel, put everything back together, order the part. When the part comes in, get back to it. Here we are again. Thankfully, I already broke the nut and I broke the steering wheel off. It'll help if I lock it when I do it. Alright, a little last second trick. If you find that your wheel is a little bit out of alignment, like I straighten out my wheels, the steering wheel on here is a little cockamamie. Now could be an easy way to address this without having to do the alignment. You should ultimately do the alignment to make sure none of the other internal components are getting damaged. But I did straighten it out. Now, when I pop this guy off and I install my new wheel, I'm going to try to have it front mounted. If I do end up doing anything with the tires, or anything with the control arms, tire rods, all of that, I would do an alignment. Right now I'm just going to lump it by to make sure I can drive around all right. We put on our hub adapter. We got our wire for the horn. We want to now also bolt down our adapter in the same way that we had the old one. So we'll go regular washer, lock nut. I can talk. And then afterwards, we're going to feed on that 17 mil bolt and tighten it all in. So I got my little Momo horn, and I wasn't sure which one of these wires was the power. So I just connected where I saw. It was a bit of 50-50 chance. I had a little piece of metal. Stuck the metal in the connector. And I'm not saying this is like the right way, the only way to do it. I'm just being lazy. This is a quick way to do it. Find ground. give it a honk. It works. Nice. We're coming along well. Take the new horn. We want to fit the horn in this silver ring. And you can squeeze that inside. Now when we bolt it down, the horn itself, which works, is going to be pressed into this silver piece. And that's going to be bolted further to the adapter and the steering wheel. So now just want to make sure that we can run our ground, because white is power. We connect that to the green cable that we got. It works. And we're going to make sure that it works. And that is how we swap out the wheel on our K truck. Finished result. Connected the horn. Wheels feels is there. Steering wheel responds accordingly. And horn works. Congrats, you have yourself a new Momo steering wheel. Not that it's necessary, but I do like the look. A little bit better than the old one. Although this, I don't think I'm going to get rid of. I like it.